In this project, we're going to show you how to extend your Generation 2 Tacoma tailgate to accommodate a bed extender. The first step is to decide how far we want the tailgate to open, and we do that by installing the 2x4s into the back of the bed, into the slot shown, and finding a level spot where everything would line up. My goal was to be able to extend the tailgate to at least 77 inches, which is a little more than 6 feet. This will require you to buy this Toyota part number 68965-04030. This will also require drilling 2 holes into the sidewall of the bed using a metric tap. I used a 17th by 64th inch drill bit and an M8 by 1.25 metric tap. These are easy to find. You can buy either the individual components or buy the kit from Cobalt. Approximately 2 inches in or centered in that column, and about 9 1/4 inches high off of the bed. The most important thing is that the height on the left and the right side are equal and that you get the desired tailgate dimension that you want. For hauling long items such as 12-foot lengths or greater, I use this Erickson pickup bed extender and can set the bed at about the 10-inch height so that I can lay down a fairly long item, whether it be plywood or pressure treated lumber, what have you. 12 feet's no problem.